Alright, let's tackle a tougher one, where we'll have to use expansion and simplification for this beast. So first we'll use the FOIL method, and that is basically just multiplying the first two terms together. Okay, so we'll get a 2x squared. And then we'll do our outer terms. So the 2x with that minus 4, which is going to give us a minus 8x. And then we will do our inner terms, which is the 3 with that x. And then we have our last two terms, the 3 and that minus 4, which is a minus 12. And there's our first set of double brackets done. This second component is also a double bracket. How do we know? Because there's this squared behind it, okay? And this just means that we are writing this x plus 1 twice, okay? And I have the option of expanding it using the FOIL method, but this is actually what we call a perfect square. And we can use this formula straight away to get our answer in one line. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. My x is my x, and I know that I need to square it, so that becomes an x squared. Okay, 2ab means I need to multiply 2 with my x and my 1, and that becomes 2x. And finally, my b squared is just 1 squared, which is 1. So now we have all the terms written out. We need to simplify it because I do see that we have an x squared term, an x term, and also some constants. So let's go ahead and determine the coefficients. For the x squared term, it's a 2 plus a 1, and that's 3. For the x, it's a minus 8 plus 3, which is 5, or actually minus 5, and minus 5 plus 2, that is a minus 3. And lastly, our constants, minus 12 plus 1, well, that's minus 11. So our final answer is 3x squared minus 3x minus 11. So tough brackets, no stress. Practice makes progress.